Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
I salute you all, friends and well wishers, members, supporters of BNL family, all dear friends in general. I remain my humble self, Prince Will Chimezie Richard. It's been a while. Many of you might be wondering why you have not been hearing from me. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate some of you for your prayers. For your prayers. Okay, then nice. And your support. Many of you know that I went for medical trip, 2 weeks medical trip, and I came back strong. I came back healthy. That's an I give Almighty the glory. Yes, the sit at home is ongoing. The sit at home is ongoing. We're observing it. We're observing it. Just a few days ago, some of you watched live ceremony in my compound. A very live ceremony. My mother's birthday and all that, and my also celebrated the success of my eye surgery and good health and what have you. It is the will of Almighty. I came to my town, I celebrated my people, I celebrated our men were here, our men on ground, our boys from Bakassi Peninsula, Calabar, the River State. They all gathered here in my compound to celebrate with me. The sit at home, we are keeping it, and I'm still in my house. I've not the sit at home. I've met me here. I've met me here, and I have to wait till when there is a free day, and I can take that opportunity and move. I want to show you that this time, rub your hand for the mouth. want to assure you that this time we are not going to take it so easily. All oil companies have shut down in the Gulf of Guinea as they announced, as they promised. They have shut down. Shell have shut down. Many of them have shut down. That is to show you that we are in charge. We are in charge because we already told them to shut down. They should have to shut down operation. They cannot be exploring oil while they have refused to grant us our demands. They must grant us our demands. They must meet with our demands. They are currently on, should I call it, total shutdown. And they have to continue. They will continue to shut down even after they sit at home. They will continue to shut down. They will continue to shut down. They go back. So it is they will continue to shut down until our demands are met. Until our demands are met. We are very serious this time around. We are very serious. And I addressed our boys the 4 days ago when they came here. When they came during the ceremony here, they were addressed. I talked to them. And we agreed on something. I wouldn't want to go publicly on what we discussed with our boys. They will be. They have been charged to put more effort, of which I know that our boys are not. They are not in for child's play. They are not in for child's play. So that is that. Continue to observe. The sit at home. Just make the sacrifices. There's nothing more you, the masses, will do or contribute than express your grievances. Express your grievances. Those of us on ground making sacrifices, traveling here and there, your contribution is to do what? Just express your grievances by adhering to this civil disobedience. Sit at home is not fight, it's not a war. Nobody say come out with gun, come out and kill. It is what? Civil disobedience. You are not attacking anywhere, fighting anywhere. You are not how do I put it? It doesn't call for violence or war. It's civil disobedience. If they come to you, they are looking for trouble. They are looking for trouble. And if our people are killed mercilessly, we will definitely react to it. So that is that. We are happy that they now understand that we own the land. We own the land. All companies they are totally shut down. All companies, they are now on total shutdown. So we can see the power of what we have been doing. The power of what we have been doing. Yeah, so that is that. That is that. Yeah, I thank you all for your maximum cooperation. I'm going to be here till the free day. I spoke with Mazi Simon. He assured me that Saturday will be a free day, so that I can move to my permanent base, where we also make things happen on our own part. Thank you. Give me that man. Thank you very much. Let me end it now.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.